Hello traders and welcome to our trade update here today on the 21st of Jan 2020, and this is Tunapan here, founder of Master the Markets, Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on this trade on the dollar yen. You can see that we've got 4 positions over here at 1,000,000 units over here, alright. And that is just based on 2 strategies over here, just a little bit under £3,000 that someone earns by going to work every single day. Now this is all passive, it's all risk managed, and it only takes 15 minutes per day. Okay, that may sound like, oh, hang on a minute, is this really true? Let me explain to you. Here at Master Markets, we pride ourselves in really delivering the truth of trading. Okay, now why is this 15 minutes per day? One of the reasons why it's 15 minutes per day, because we have done all the analysis. Now, trust me when I say that, there's tons and tons of amount of work that has gone through here. So many tons and tons of crib sheets that we have designed. 14 strategies altogether that we have designed over here. For example, you can see one of the strategies over here, which is called prime profits. You can see all the quantification that we have done in terms of the entry, the stop loss, and the target rules. Okay. Some of you may say that, oh, that's quite a lot over there, Tiru, and for beginners especially, want to start off, want to learn about the financial markets, let it be currencies, commodities, indices. It might be a bit too much, but let me just make it really simple for you, right? So we've done all the hard work. We've made it simple. But even then, saying all of that, it's not all that rosy where you're making £3,000, off on the beach, off on your laptop. No, everything takes some time. And I always tell the clients, it's an awesome skill to have. I mean, why not? Let me explain this to you. When the research has been done already, and we are triggering you to enter on trades, or basically like this one here where we entered yesterday, as you can see, so we entered on the low. There was one position which we entered on the low and another position that we entered on the close with an initial stop loss over here, which ensures that the whole game is safe and the risk is managed. Okay. Now that's why, and you leave it overnight, right? And you leave it overnight. So the first position, so let me just erase this for you and just make sure that you understand. The first position is entered here. So that is at 110.20, and the second position is entered here. So this one here was one strategy, right? Which what we call the OE runners on the elite room, and the other one was the swing profit trade. So we scaled into those 2 positions, and there we go. We are in the right direction at the moment. This is what we call, for you beginners, called short trade, because we're going down, not the conventional buying long position. Do not worry too much about the terminology. We'll be explaining all of that at Traders Basecamp. We will really welcome you all to come to Traders Basecamp and learn the basics. And once we have put in all these entries and with our stop loss as well, which I said makes the whole game safe and low risk, then we let it run overnight. And then we check it again at 10 p.m. every day. So we enter trades usually at midnight or 10 p.m. and also check it around 10 p.m. or midnight to close it according to the trade rules. Now, according to these strategies, the great thing is, traders, we will actually be closing the trade as of today. So we're banking in just a little bit under £3,000 at the end of tonight at midnight. Okay, and this is just money working for you, because you are not working for money and taking that tube and queuing up others and being sardine packed and everything. This is money working for you as you go to bed, as you do your own work. This is just second income, or it can be a full-time income for you, depending on how you actually play the game. All right. So for those of you looking to start, don't think any further. We are here to serve the truth for you. Any losses, any profits, is all transparent. As you can see over here, it's all logged into our journal over here. And you can see over here in January, some of the strategies are making money and losing money. Overall, we are just up a little bit here. Plus the strategies that we've just taken over here on swing profit and on prime profit this month, when we add them all up together, will easily up to about 4% profit. Now, 4% profit, traders, where money is working for you, and you know where the bank rates are 0.5%, that is already 8 times the bank rate. That's really good money working for you just over there. So definitely a great skill to have. Definitely learn about it and get in contact with any of our team or come and watch us trade on our live trading webinar. We would love to see you there and we would love to serve you as well. Alright, that's all from me on this video, and as we always say, till next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.